All right, we got the amazing Elgin vacuum right here. Here's the main piece right here. We got all the other pieces right here. First thing I'm gonna do is show you this. So the main piece, you got the filter in here, you got the place where all the stuff you pick up goes in here. When you're done with it, you press this, opens up, you dump it in the trash. Amazing. The controls, power button, you got the control, the speed right there, as well as it'll show you how much battery you have right in there. And so the first thing we're gonna do, this is the battery right here that is charged with this. So you plug this into this, charge it. We're ready to go as far as charging goes. So first thing we're gonna do, slide this on like so, and it clicks right in. Now, before we even get to the main piece, I wanna show you there's two, you got these pieces right here. So say you wanna pick up stuff in the car, maybe like a hard to reach area or whatever, you just slide this piece on, or you can slide this piece on right here. And to turn it on, you just press the power button here. That's one speed. You press this button and it goes to the higher speed. Now it's at the higher speed. You can vacuum like this now, or we can turn it off, take this piece out. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this piece in. So to put this piece in, you're gonna do the same thing. Click it right in. From here, come over to this piece, and we are going to just click it in. And now we also can press this button to make it longer. So we can make it longer. I'm just gonna do some quick vacuum. It's pretty clean back here, but I'm gonna vacuum just really quick. Maybe just pick some stuff up, press it, go to a faster speed. Just gonna sort of go around a little bit. Just pick up some stuff. Nothing major, but it is picking stuff up. So maybe I do need to vacuum actually. All right, that's good, because it's already picked some stuff up. So you might not be able to see, but it was blowing around, and there is stuff in there. There's some stuff in there. So even though there's not much to pick up, it's picking stuff up. So this thing is amazing. Now, I also want to show you, if you want to mount this to the wall, here's the mounting hardware. You can mount this, just hang it right up on the wall. But as you can see, this is just a super high quality vacuum, and I highly recommend it to you.